Okay, so I wanted to introduce you to some features that might also help you be more successful in the class. In my instructor information, you can see my name, my contact, my email, my phone number. But this is summer and I'm working from home, so I will not be checking my phone quite as frequently. However, I did want to introduce you to Remind, a free text messaging service. Once you set yourself up in Remind, this will enable me to send mass text to the class, as well as allow you to text me if you have any problems or concerns. So to get started with, you would want to click on the link right here. Both of these are links. And when you go out to Remind, just put in your first and last name and your phone number or your email address. And then you'll want to text at 63AE7G to 81010, okay? And once you have done that, okay, so once you have done that, this is what you should see. Is this the right one? Yeah, what you should see is something like this pop up on your phone. You've joined Spanish 112 Summer 2017. Reply to send a message to Dr. Jennifer Ray. And this gives you a link to get the app. You can also find it in the Google Store and in the apps, or Google Play and the App Store. So, and then it tells you you can save this number up at the top. You can save that to your contacts under my name, and that would be the number that you would continue to text me to. So once you've done that, you can just start sending me text. Okay. The other thing that I wanted to show you was the big blue button. This right here is a link to Skype. This will go over how you can use Skype for office hour meetings. But you could also use the big blue button, which I'll leave set up. But if we click this and this right here, should take you in there. You just click Join Session. Testing, one, two, three.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
And so I'm going to, for this though, you're going to need to send me an email. I will leave it up all the time and you can go out here, but I won't just be sitting here in this classroom. Like, you've got to let me know that you want me to come into this classroom for us to have a meeting. Okay, and I'm going to put it, I think I like the presentation one. Upload a little whiteboard. And so then what you'll do, and I can also share my webcam. I tried this a minute ago and it doesn't work because I'm making this video, but when I'm not making this video, my face will show up here and you'll be able to see me. But what you'll want to do is, in this box, is just text me any questions or concerns that you have. That's how we'll communicate. And then I can post anything here. I think I can share my screen with you, or you could text, how, or like, what is the difference between and the imperfect? Okay, and so then I would see that, and then I would be able to respond here explaining that to you, not just talking you through it. So I might make a screenshot of a page in our book and pull it up here, and then I could write on it, or I might take the homework that you didn't understand and pull it up here. Or I might want to share, I think I should share my full screen, and then I could click out of this, and then you could see, if we pulled up my language labs, you could actually see it, and I could walk you through it. Okay. So those are just some various features that you'd be able to use. Just remember, oh, also I have I'm not going to make this a requirement yet, I'm playing around with this, but under course information on the side, it would also be nice if you guys put in a little blurb about who you are. That way, if I want to put a face to a name, or if your fellow classmates want to put a face to a name or a personality. So just take a few minutes to upload a video or a picture, as well as a narrative, to let everybody know who you are. Just make sure your entry is labeled with your last name first, and your first name second, so it's all alphabetical. And you can just include things like your name, if you have kids, if you have pets, what's your major, why are you studying Spanish, what's your favorite book, your favorite show, your favorite movie, your favorite ice cream flavor, just something that lets us know who you are. Those are just ideas. You don't have to answer any of those or all of those, just whatever defines you as you is what you would put here. And I just went ahead and put my video that I had made for you guys introducing myself here. So you could do something as simple as that, having a video that you post there. Let's see if there's anything else. There's the picture of our book and the bibliographic information for it. Remember, there is our syllabus you have in PDF form, and you have this in Moodle book, and the course schedule just tells you that our work is due on Thursday. The grading criteria just takes you to the rubric. And then your resources, these are links that take you to resources that can help you. Here's also the priority line for my language labs, which you guys might want. So if you're having trouble with my language labs, you would want to go here. This is a link to my language labs, how to set yourself up in my language labs, but I already have, I think, a link up here that does that as well. This is our code, the code that you would need to get yourself set up in my language labs. These are links that tell you how to get the eText app on either your Android or iPad tablet. I don't think it'll work on a phone at this point, just on tablets. And remember that to do your work in my language labs, you're still going to need a computer. This is just for you to have access to the text, which you can still get on a computer, but you might want to have it on your on your your iPad or your tablet, because you might want to have your tablet open while you have your computer open, using it like a book. These are accent marks. That'll take you to a place that'll help you do accent marks. And then this just tells you how to turn off pop-up blockers and for PCs and for Macs. How to do your browser tune-up, and then if you need to set up your microphone. I think you're going to do some recordings in my language labs. Most of those recordings, just fixing your pop-up blockers will enable you to do what you need to do for me. But if you run into additional trouble, then you might need to mess around with your microphone, and this helps you with your microphone for Windows 7, Windows 10, and then for Macs. And I think that pretty much covers it.